Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use beauty filters on WhatsApp video call. Okay, enough talking, let's jump to the topic. Open your Play Store and search Beauty Campo WA video call. I have already installed and now I am going to open it. Now select next and allow drawing over the other apps for Beauty Campo WA video call. Now tick on floating window and touch on video call. After that select log into WhatsApp and sign up for WhatsApp using your number. I will skip this process because everyone knows how to sign up. Okay, now I am finishing my sign up. Once it's loaded, you will see WhatsApp like normal. You can chat or call as you like. Also, you can download backup if you want. So now I am going to open chat and going to make a video call. Now I will show you how to use filters. Touch on floating window and you will see lots of filters. You can select any filters for free. That's all. You can try it by your own. I hope this video will help you. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.